Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is x into x over x plus x is equals to 2, and we should solve this complicated equation for the value of x. In order to solve this question, we use the basic rule of algebra, and we should solve this question in a very easy manner. How? Simply, in the first step we should multiply these three values. And from the basic rule of algebra, as we know that if the two or more values having a same base and all these values are in multiplication, then their power add up together. So here we apply the same rule. As a result, we should get x cube, because 1 power plus 1 power plus 1 equal to 3. And now in denominator we should add these three values, and as a result we should get 3x, because x plus x is equal to 3x, equal to 2 remains same. Now in the next step we should move these 3 from denominator to the other side of the equation of numerator. As a result we should get 6, because 3 to the 6. Now in the next step we should apply the basic rule of algebra, and as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if the two values are in fraction having same base but different power, then the denominator power will be subtracted from the numerator power. So here we apply the same rule. As a result, we should get x is to power 3 minus 1 equal to 6 will remain same. Now as we know that 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So here we get our new equation as x square is equal to 6. Now in order to remove this square value, we should apply under root value on the both sides of the equation. As a result, this square value and this root value will cancel out together, and as a result this x will come out from the root, and on the other side of the equation we should get plus minus under root 6 value, and this is the answer for the x for this exponential or a complicated equation value. Now we should check the value of x for this equation is true or not. For this purpose we should replace the value of x with plus minus under root 6 inside this equation. As a result we should get under root 6 into under root 6 into under root 6 as the place of x, and in denominator we should replace also this x with under root 6 with plus sign equal to 0 will remain same. Now after multiplication this 3 under root 6 value, we should get 6 under root 6, and after add up these 3 under root 6 value, we should get 3 under root 6 equal to 2. And now these value will cancel out together. Under root 6 will cancel out under root 6, and 3 1 the 3 and 3 2 the 6. As a result we should get 2 is equal to 2, and we can see that the both sides of the equation remains same. So it means that this value, which is x is equal to plus minus under root 6, is same or is true for this equation. But here I solve this check value for the positive value. We can use the same things or the same manner for the minus value. I hope this video will be very useful to you, all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.